Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the audio recorder Chrome extension step by step. With this extension, you can quickly record your voice directly from Chrome for notes, meeting, class, podcast, and more. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to the search bar and search for voice recorder. Here you will see audio and voice recorder. Click on it, then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now whenever you want to capture your audio, you can click on start recording. It will start recording your voice. After pressing on stop, here you will see the WAV file will be downloaded successfully. Now we will hear. Here you will see it will be opened. It will record nothing because our screen recording is working. Also from there you can select voice, audio and voice. That's it. This is how you can use the audio recorder Chrome extension easily in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.